The Tamil Nadu government has now given its nod for beauty parlours and salons across the state to open from tomorrow. The state, however, has not permitted salons to open in Chennai and in containment zones. The government has announced that no air conditioners will be allowed in the salons and they can be opened from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Also, all these salons must have people wearing masks, maintaining social distancing and putting into effect frequent hand washes, and they must also ensure disinfection of the entire premises a minimum of 5 times a day. So those are some of the measures that the Tamil Nadu government has stressed on. Important to highlight here that in the city of Chennai, where the maximum number of cases have been reported in the state of Tamil Nadu, none of the salons will open. This is for the rest of the state. Akshay Nath is joining us with more details on this. Akshay, this was expected because many state governments have already taken a similar decision. What are the kind of regulations the Tamil Nadu government has advised to these salons? We understand they're opening, but mostly in all districts of Tamil Nadu except in Chennai.
Well, yes, Akshita, what we've been seeing here is that the Tamil Nadu state government has now decided to open barbershops and saloons in the state. They've said that except for Chennai and in containment zones, all other places you can open these saloons, but there has to be a lot of precautions in place. Like one, face mask needs to be used, sanitizers need to be used, social distancing should be maintained, and also at least for 5 times disinfection of the entire premises must be done. And apart from this, they've also stated that they can open the saloons between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. and not more or not less. This is going to be an interesting situation, Akshita, because here in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai to be specific, one of the source of infection was from a saloon earlier. A hairdresser who had travelled from Delhi was the source of causing a lot of infection among many other people in the Chennai city. And similarly, recently also another person who was having a saloon illegally being operated at Coimbatore was also a root cause. So that cluster of people getting infected from saloons have been high. So the worry factor is still there because Chennai has nearly 9,364 cases as of yesterday. Okay. And at present the state government is trying to ensure there's containment strategies. And while there are opening up of several institutions and sectors, the worry is that how long can the state government ensure that the containment strategy is in place and that the spread is in control.
Right. Akshaya, thank you for joining us with that update.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.